Today we're making ADEME, AYOYO or jute leaf soup. In fact, I prefer this soup than okra soup, and it's very easy to make it. Now put your saucepan on the fire, go in with your jute leaf, and then go in with dawa dawa, some baking soda, and I added in my favorite shrimp seasoning, which is aromat shrimp flavoring seasoning. Wait until it is cooked and then keep it aside. Let it cool down. Like so, whilst it's cooling down, you can go ahead and steam your meat. In my saucepan, I added in the tolo beef. It's cured lamb beef. I went in with wele, Nigeria they call it pomo, and then I added some snails, which is totally optional. I went in with crabs, and then I seasoned it with my favorite seasoning again, which is spice flavor seasoning. I went in with blended onion, ginger, garlic, habanero pepper. I added in dried shrimp, dried herring powder as well. Lastly, I added in salt, not that much because of the cured lamb meat. So I didn't add in much salt, just a pinch. I stirred it, make sure everything has come together. I added in more water and then I covered it and let it cook until it was ready. So once it is ready, I went in with smoked mackerel. Just me stirring it, having fun in the kitchen. You know, the Namon channel here. I love cooking. Cooking is everything to me. I then covered it. At this point, I went ahead to mix to match the how do they call it there? Ayo. So all you have to do is use a hand mixer to whisk until you get to the consistency you're looking for. Then pour it back to the sauce, to the meat, and you're good to go. That's so simple, very easy, guys. Just look at this, wow! And the aroma alone in my house. In fact, this soup was soupy nankasa. I went in with some hot pepper, like the dark peppers. If it's not hot enough for some of us, my sister likes pepper a lot. And guys, look at this. This is beautiful, and it was delicious. I hope you're going to give it a try. Let me know the outcome in the comment section. Please try it there. So I served mine with some hot bamboo, and this bamboo was very soft. Very, very soft. Try it and thank me later. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you. Bye bye.